Hey guys, welcome to another video. We're doing a quick one. We're doing a 5 or 6 year review on this 2016 Seadoo Spark that we have owned since new. And all I really have to say about it is it's the best purchase we ever made. This has been the most fun jet ski. You can do anything on it. You can tube off of it. It's the 90 high output Rotax engine. We've tubed off of it. You can jump it. We've jumped this thing 20 plus feet off of the back of boats. It literally does anything and everything we need it to. One of the big mods, something that made this thing really nice, is adding the hydro turf. We got green to match the ski, and the front storage bin, which is decently sized. It's not waterproof, but you can fit a lot of stuff in there. It's nice for if you're going out to the lake with your buddies or going to park out at the bay, whatever. But yeah, this thing, Seadoo Spark, best purchase ever. Definitely. I would recommend buying one to anyone. And also, if you want to do more with it, get a Trix. You can do wheelies and stuff like that. Just all around good fun. If you get a couple buddies to get them, go riding. It's a great time. Overall, just a good unit. You got sport mode and touring mode, so you can go into touring mode and then hold this down and you're in sport mode, and you go, that's sport mode, and then you go back into touring mode, and it takes a little longer to get going, and then we'll do sport mode again. You can tell just instantly a lot more power there.